58, 60, 62, and 64.
What are you doing? Because you're a good dude.
And 2 years ago, in 2010.
What are you doing?
13. Well, in the pine straw.
What's that good girl do? What's that good girl do? Because he's a good girl.
Aiming well out to the right.
I'm going to get you.
So that's a good play, Peter, to get as far down as possible. You can almost get front edge of the green, but if you leave it 40 yards right, that leaves you a great chip across, maybe play a skip and run to get it onto that back tier.
That's definitely the angle for this whole location. He could have hit it another 25 yards, actually, and been even better, but he's okay where he is. To 15.
View from behind this famous green.
What? What do you want?
Tell them not too far right. He wants to hit this right towards just left center of the green. Let's slow. This line will slow it down and move it around towards the hole. If he hits it right at the hole, extremely difficult to hold this green.
Where are you going?
It's from 239.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
There is one very awkward chip shot. You've seen players trying to fly it all the way with a long shot. And here's another tough shot at 11. Beautiful angle though, and a long drive allows him to see the green surface.
What? Come here.
He stays in with a good eye. Wow. Two great shots there. Oosthuizen and Westwood. This is the penultimate group. Westwood playing first just moments ago. See the difference in the length from the tee.
What?
Westwood can just see the flagstick.
What?
And pitched it perfectly. Plenty of spin, another solid iron shot for Lee Westwood. 1 over through 10 though. Really love a birdie here. Let's go to 16. And walk through Swedes.